So you've been hearing all the buzz about Charlotte, North Carolina. Well, you're not alone. Thousands of people are moving here every single month. And it's not just for the better weather and lower taxes. No. Today we're going to break down the real reasons why people are packing and moving to the Queen City in 2025. And trust me, by the time you finish watching this video, you might just be calling your real estate agent. Spoiler alert, that's me. Let's get into it. Reason number one, the Charlotte tech boom. You heard that correctly. Charlotte tech boom. You might not think of Charlotte as a tech hub, but in 2025, that's exactly what's happening. Big tech and AI companies have been setting up shop right here in the Queen City. Apple has expanded its presence, Microsoft and Google have been hiring like crazy here in the Charlotte area. And fintech startups are popping up all over South End and Uptown Charlotte. Take my client Brian, for example. He used to work in Silicon Valley before he moved to the Queen City. And he moved to the Queen City when his office opened up in Charlotte. He jumped at the opportunity because the cost of living was lower and a better work-life balance. And get this, he's still making California level money, but spending it in North Carolina. Reason number two why people are loving and moving to the Queen City is because Charlotte's sports scene is on fire. Charlotte has always been a sports town, but in 2025, it is truly next level. The Carolina Panthers, although they're not looking like Super Bowl contenders, they are improving. And Charlotte FC, the football club, has one of the most passionate fan bases in Major League Soccer. And the Charlotte Hornets, well, let's just say they're starting to figure things out, with LaMelo Ball being a main attraction. Now, that hasn't quite turned into wins, but he is a showstopper. And we also have the Charlotte Knights, a minor league baseball team, and the Carolina Checkers, which is a hockey team. But the truth is, when it comes to sports in Charlotte, it's not just about the professional sports. I'm talking about youth sports. The city's investment in youth sports and recreational leagues is huge. Families are moving here just so their kids can play year-round in some of the most competitive leagues in the Southeast. Reason number three why Charlotte is such an attractive place is that the public transit is undergoing a refresh. That's right, the new public transit upgrades, or soon to be upgrades. Charlotte is finally catching up with other major cities when it comes to public transit. In 2025, we're seeing the expanded light rail system that now connects key suburbs like Matthews and Huntersville directly to Uptown, making commuting more of a breeze. Trust me, from personal experience, you do not want to be on I-77 or 485 during rush hour. You'd much rather have public transit options. Now, I had a couple move here from Chicago, and they were absolutely terrified. That might be strong, but they were scared of losing the public transit because in Chicago, they relied heavily on public transportation. And they read and heard about all the horror stories about Charlotte traffic. And for the concerns have been alleviated some because of the new transit system upgrades here in Charlotte, North Carolina. Reason number four, the rise of the 15-minute neighborhood. Now you might be wondering, what in the world is a 15-minute neighborhood? Well, let me tell you, the 15-minute neighborhood is a game changer. Charlotte is developing into walkable communities where everything, work, shopping, restaurants, entertainment, is within a 15 or so minute walk or bike ride. Or if you're adventurous, get on one of those scooters. That's what Charlotte is becoming. Now, it's not quite there yet. You do have pockets of the Charlotte area that have already become what I coin as a 15-minute neighborhood. You see areas like Loso, Lower South End, University, and Valentine are leading the charge in these 15-minute neighborhoods. I actually have a client named Sarah who moved here from Atlanta, and she told me that she absolutely loves where she lives in Valentine because she can now walk to her gym, walk to her coffee shop, and to her favorite bar, all without moving her car. And she says it's an absolute dream. The fifth reason why people are flocking to the Queen City is because of the food scene. Charlotte's food scene in 2025 is a little bit surreal if you've been here longer than 10 years. Right now, the food scene is absolutely booming. We're talking about award-winning chefs, new Michelin-starred restaurants, and some of the best international cuisine in the country. Well, one of my past clients from New York City said they're hesitant about moving to the Queen City, to Charlotte, because of the lack of food diversity. So they thought. Fast forward 3 to 4 years, and now they're obsessed with the food scene here in Charlotte. From soul food in Plaza Midwood to high-end dining in South Park, there is something for everyone if you're a foodie. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room. Reason number 6 why everyone is moving to Charlotte, North Carolina. And it is because Charlotte real estate is still a steal in 2025. There's no denying it. Yes, home prices have gone up, but compared to cities like Austin, Nashville, or even Denver, Charlotte is still very affordable. Here's a perfect example. David and Lisa moved here from Boston and couldn't believe they were able to buy a brand new 4-bedroom home in Fort Mill, South Carolina for what they were paying in rent for a 2-bedroom apartment back in Boston. The market is competitive, but with the right strategy, aka working with me, you can still find incredible deals and create incredible deals. Because let's be honest, deals aren't just sitting on the market, because as soon as a deal looks like it's available, you have multiple offers driving up the price. So you have to be able to work with someone that can create these amazing deals or incredible deals for you and your family. Reason number 7 why people are moving to Charlotte, North Carolina is because the film and television industry is absolutely booming here in the Queen City. Have you ever thought of Hollywood East? Now that was the term for Wilmington, North Carolina about 15, 20 years ago. Hollywood East right now might surprise you. Many people think it's Atlanta, Georgia, but I'm willing to argue that it is Charlotte, North Carolina. Let's dive in. I know some people that live in the Charlotte area may not like this, but it's happening. The film and entertainment industry here in Charlotte is booming. Thanks to new tax incentives, film studios have been popping up all over the Charlotte area, and we're seeing major TV shows and movies being filmed right here in the Queen City. In fact, I know a videographer who moved from LA to Charlotte to get in on one of the growing industries in the area. And let's just say, he does not miss those California rent prices. Moving on to reason number 8, Charlotte's thriving entrepreneur scene. Now, entrepreneurship is one of those buzzwords we've been hearing for the last 5 to 7 years. But Charlotte is quickly becoming a startup capital in the South. From tech startups to e-commerce brands, the city is full of opportunities. I have a client, Gabby, who started her business in New York City, but realized she can operate out of Charlotte for half the cost. Now she's running a 6-figure business while enjoying life in the Queen City for a lot less cost of living. In fact, she has a social media channel where she details her going back and forth to New York City and Charlotte and how she's doing it all. I must say, she is very impressive, and my cap goes off to her for taking advantage of the lower cost of living, but still running a successful business in both states. Reason number 9. Now, many people already know about this reason, but people are moving to the Charlotte area because of the banking and finance boom. Now, it seems like Charlotte has always been a banking hub, but in 2025, it's even bigger. Bank of America, Wells Fargo, and Truist are hiring like crazy, and fintech companies are changing the game. Fintech is finance and tech companies. They're absolutely taking over the job market here in the Queen City. So if you're in finance, this is the place to be. It's like Wall Street, but with way better weather and cheaper drinks. Now, reason number 10 is something that is often overlooked. People are moving to the Charlotte area for a better work-life balance. The work-life balance here in the Queen City is truly unmatched. People are moving to Charlotte not just for the jobs, but for the lifestyle it affords. You've got lakes, you have mountains just a few hours away, you have the beach a few hours away, and an insane amount of parks, hiking trails, and outdoor activities. My friend Kevin moved here from DC, and within a couple months, he told me, I actually feel like I have a life again. And that sentiment right there encapsulates Charlotte in 2025. While it is a city life, you also have a better work-life balance to where you can go enjoy these different things that Charlotte has to offer, such as nature trails, such as food, such as dining, all with the cheaper cost of living and better weather. So there you have it, 10 solid reasons why Charlotte is the place to be in 2025. If you're thinking about making the move, drop a comment below. What's your biggest reason for considering Charlotte? And of course, if you need help navigating this housing market, you know where to find me. Call me, text me, shoot me an email, and let's make sure. Now, before we go any further, let me introduce myself. I am Sir Ashley Harrison. I am a real estate advisor licensed in both North and South Carolina. And I've been helping people in real estate for over the past decade. As a real estate attorney, As a real estate investor and a real estate agent, I've helped over 1,000 families move to or within the Carolinas. And if you need any help, be sure to reach out to me. My contact information is on the screen, but it's also in the description below. I look forward to hearing from you. And also, drop a comment on what is your biggest reason for considering moving to the Charlotte area. I look forward to reading them and having a conversation with you right in the comment section. Let's move on.